Welcome, this is Ramyasadaivam here. This is a contest. Please listen. Only half of the painting of the celebrity is here in this video. If you have guessed the celebrity right, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and mention the celebrity's name in the comment section. One of the loyal subscribers who have guessed the celebrity right in the comment section will be chosen. This winner will have lifetime access to my portrait drawing course worth rupees 3000. It teaches you everything from the basic. I've taught my portrait technique in the course. This technique will enhance your portrait drawing skills several folds. If you have a mobile, you can learn it anytime and anywhere you want. I will give you one clue about the celebrity. She is a singer and a businesswoman. So watch the video until the end. Do not skip any part. Let us not forget that this is a free video. Learn as much portrait skills as possible. If you have guessed the celebrity right, do not waste your time. Mention her name in the comment section and win my portrait drawing course. Hurry up. All the best, you guys. For more such contests and portrait studies, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.